Welcome to Code Fun. I'm Rozzie. It's great to see you. Come on, me waia te tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi, come on out and say hello. Huh? I don't know where Digi is. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Digi! Digi! Can you hear that sound? Oh, are you sure you saw Digi? Okay, well, keep looking. Digi! Oh, there's that sound again. Was that Digi? Oh, I thought so. Digi, you tricky trickster. Digi! Whoa, Digi! How did you do that?
Robot cloaking technology.
Awesome! Oh, well, it's great to finally see you, Digi. And now that we're all here, are you ready to have lots of fun? Cool! Kara whiu te party. Let's get this party started. Code Fun! Nay!
Rozzie?
Yeah!
Tēnā, Rozzie.
Whoa there! Yes, Digi?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm pretending to ride a horse.
Cool. Can you show me how to ride a horse too?
Sure thing, Digi.
Oh!
Digi's a robot and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things. Will you help me show Digi how to ride a horse? Great! If you want to see a robot ride, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to ride a horse until we give instructions. Find a clear space so you've got lots of room to move around. That's it. Make sure you're not going to bump into anything. All right, first up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Okay, first of all, put your hands in front of you. Close up your fingers to make a fist and put your thumbs on top. Now you're holding the reins. Okay, next, lift one knee up and put your foot back down. Now lift the other foot up just a little bit off the ground and put your foot back down. Now repeat or loop those two movements. Here we go. Ka mutu pea. You did it. Let's show Digi now. Okay, Digi. First of all, put your hands out in front of you and close your fingers to make a fist. with your thumbs on top. Are you joining in? Great. Now, Digi, lift up one knee and put your foot back down. Cool. Now, lift up the other foot just a little bit off the ground and put it back down. Great. Now loop or repeat those two moves. Here we go. That's it, Digi. You're galloping.
Yeehaa!
That's it, Digi. Race ya! Whoa! Nice one, Digi.
Thanks, Rozzie.
Awesome horse riding, my friend. Good Tuki, we did it. We coded Digi so that we could all ride a horse together. Oh, hi. I'm just pretending to ride a horse. Do you want to come on a ride with me? Great. Find somewhere comfy to sit. Oh, I know a fun game we could play where we ride different animals. But first I need some shapes. Cool. For this game, I'll be the programmer who gives you instructions, and you can be the robot who follows what I say. Okay, here are the instructions. If you see he tapa whārite, a square, then you need to pretend to ride a horse. Now, if you see he porowhita, a circle, then you need to pretend to ride an elephant. Hold on tight. Whoa! And sway from side to side. Now, if you see he tapatoru, a triangle, then lie on your tummy and hold on tight because we're going to ride a flying unicorn. Wow! All right. Have you got that? Great! Mā taki tonu mai. Keep watching to see which shapes are going to pop up. Okay, here we go. Wow, square, a horse. What's your horse called? Cool. Oh, elephant, circle. Whoa, so slow. Oh. Oh, square again, a horse. Oh, triangle, that's a unicorn. Oh. Here we go. Wow, we're flying. What can you see? Magical. Oh, thanks for coming on a ride with me. You're really good at following instructions, just like a robot. We've had lots of fun on Code Fun today. Make sure you come back next time. Here comes Digi.
Tēnā koe. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Come on. Me waia te tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa.
Ka kite!